Okay, you open it, anak. Let's open it. Ah, we can use it tomorrow.
Huh?
I'll be happy. Wow. You use the ano ah?
Is it a billion?
Ah. If you don't give me this, I'm gonna buy it myself. Yes, even Iman can clean. Let's open it so we'll see how small it is. Daddy, ano mo?
Wow.
It's a shark extractor.
I think this is a expensive vacuum.
Yeah. It's like Dyson.
This is 20,000 pesos.
Huh?
Vacuum. In peso is 20,000.
You're in your camera.
Look at that.
And
Ooh.
Iman can vacuum too.
Ooh.
Because it's small and it's tiny.
And I can do that.
Ooh.
Oh, okay, you have to, ano na,
Ooh.
see?
Ooh. Yeah. That's all.
Ha?
I'm getting baby piece of the ice.
That's all.
No!
Yes. After you read this, can I read it, Mom?
Yeah.
And then, next.
Sabi ni Renian,
Ha?
basahin mo pagka inumpisahan mo, you won't, ano, gusto mong basahin siya.
Oh. And then,
Ano?
wala na, ganyan lang.
I was gonna buy
Let me
myself this book.
I think that's all.
Wow.
No.
What's in here?
Who gave you this?
Ito na, ito. Ito na.
Because I think
This is
this
the
one
one,
is for,
Extension lang yan. Ay, ikaw
Yeah.
muna I-video mo kami
Iman is videoing.
Ha?
You're videoing anak, right?
Yeah.
Say something.
Ito yung kanya.
Wow. This
Yeah.
is cool.
And then,
I
ito yung
can
the handle.
vacuum
I think
now.
that's it.
Where's
Yeah.
the handle?
Ayan na, ito na yun.
Did it say something like, i-ano muna siya?
Yeah. Oh.
No,
There.
this one is used only for, ano.
Oh, this another one.
Progress
Yeah,
is
ganito na lang siya,
coming
yeah.
up.
Yeah,
I think
that's
so.
the one.
And then how we start? Ito, may kwan siya rito. May start button
What is
siya.
this one? Ayan.
Can,
Ay,
can
that's
you
the
see
other
the color?
neutralizer,
It
anak.
Cartridge.
says
Oh, look, I think you put in
Salt.
there.
Oh, may,
So what's this one? Oh, this
i-kwan
one
lang yan, yung extension mo.
hindi ba siya kailangan i-ano?
Do you have to open it?
Ayan, malamang i-extension mo, ilalagay mo rito. Ito siguro tatanggalin mo ito.
And then,
And then, i-attach mo yan. Itong mga ito.
say hi. Hi, 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 hi.
Or you can
hi.
be used like this. Ganyan, no? Ganito siya. Ayan, no?
asan ba yung motor niya?
Ito.
Ah.
Taas. You can be
Oh, yeah,
like
kasi
this.
yung,
Ganyan.
how about this one?
Extension. Tapos ito ganito. Extension din yung mga yan, no? Ganyan. See? Ito lang gagamitin mo. Kung papalitan mo, ito rin.
I wanna,
This one.
that one.
Then tatanggalin mo rin siya. Can be this one too.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Ah, yan yung pang ano,
Kaya
sa
pang
sa
pal,
couch. Mga
pampalit
ganyan.
mo lang yan, mga yan. Ito, pwede rin ito. Ganyan, no? It's a multi-con siya. Mm. Okay. And then this one, yeah, can be this one too. Sa mga,
Sa mataas.
Mataas.
Let's say sadyaan.
yeah,
That's high.
yeah, like this. Vacuum up, right? Yes, this. Okay.
Okay.
I think you put water in here.
No.
Ha?
Lagayan yan. Ay, ano yan. That's the basin.
Siguro try natin.
But use the for trying. That one.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
That's so big.
Look at that. Ayun para extension lang ang mga yan. Yan. Ito yung rechargeable niya.
Can we, it says, remove the odor neutralizer from bag. After reading it, remove the sticker from the hand vacuum's digital screen. Oh, asaan yun?
Ito.
Okay.
Then,
Then, asaan?
Kahit siguro.
Yeah, you have to remove that one daw. Daddy, to siguro yan siguro ang battery.
No, ito yung battery.
Do I have to,
This is the battery. Okay. And then put in here.
So,
And
sabi
then
niya, the
charge
vacuum
it.
consists of motorized nozzle.
Ito, may i-charge mo siya.
Muna?
Yeah. Iman,
yeah.
charge it in here.
Yan yung
Baka mo pa ikon dyan, barcode dyan na iukan mo siya online. Okay, ito siya, tatambo, ito lang siya, Ito dapat nakaganyan, Ito,
Okay.
dito.
Okay.
Ilalakap mo siya. Ganyan. Ganyan. Tapos,
Hey, look.
and then attach.
Attach it. Hindi naka-attach.
Okay?
Pwede?
Then let's try. Try, man.
Yeah.
Paano siyang...
Ayan. Wow.
Napiplit yan flex.
It's not, ay try, man, ha?
Ito. How do you flex it?
Oh, sharpness. Powerful fins.
Ganun dapat Dito siguro.
No, you can't see my fin. Yeah.
Tingnan nyo yung nakuha ni Shark, Oh, yan, Humbirang yan. Ang dumi pala yung carpet namin.
I'm gonna go do it more.
Okay, do it mo. Yan, nag-i-enjoy na si Sumoy mag-vacuum, Wow.
Mommy,
Ayan,
I think we need a,
Dami siyang nakuha.
I think we need a,
Okay, do it more.
Meron siyang odor neutral.